In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files on Telegram desktop. By the end, you'll be able to share documents, images, videos, or any other supported files quickly and confidently. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer and sign in if you aren't already. Make sure you're connected to the internet so your upload can start right away. Once the app is open, head to the conversation where you want to send the file. This could be a one-on-one chat, a group, or a channel. If it's a group, everyone in the group will be able to see what you send. If it's a channel, remember that only people with posting permissions can add new messages, so be sure you have the right access. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct chat, especially if you're sending something important. Now, look to the message box at the bottom of the screen. Right beside it, you'll see a small paperclip icon. Click that paperclip. This is the attachment button, and it tells Telegram that you want to send a file rather than a plain text message. As soon as you click it, your computer's file browser will open. From here, navigate to the folder that contains the file or files you want to send. If you're not sure where something is saved, check common locations like Downloads, Desktop, or Documents. Telegram supports a wide range of file types, so you can send photos, PDFs, spreadsheets, videos, and more. If you need to send several files at once, you can select multiple items in this window. On most systems, you can hold the Ctrl or CMD key to pick files one by one, or use Shift to select a range. When you've selected everything you want to share, click Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. Telegram will immediately begin uploading your selection to the chat. You'll see a progress indicator so you know it's working. Keep the app open and avoid putting your computer to sleep while the upload is in progress, especially for larger files. As soon as the upload finishes, the file appears in the conversation, ready for others to view or download. If you sent multiple files, they'll show up together in the chat. That's it. No extra configuration needed. To recap, open Telegram desktop and the chat where you want to share, click the paperclip, find your file, select it, and confirm with Open or Choose. Telegram handles the upload and delivers it into the conversation. With these simple steps, you can reliably send files to individuals, groups, or channels whenever you need.